Hey folks, Bryan Caplan here with the Bigger, Better Biz community, and I've got a quick tech tip just for you. Stay tuned. Okay folks, so a lot of people are searching on Google to find the Google Mail inbox login. Now you might call it Google Mail or you might call it Gmail, whatever works for you. But if you're looking for the Google Mail inbox login, I've got 3 ways for you to access it. The first way is just going to google.com. You can see I typed that in right here in the address bar, and you're going to click on Gmail. By doing so, you'll be brought to a new tab that opens up, and then you can sign into your Google account, get into your Google Mail inbox. So that's one. Now another way, if I go back to Google, is I can actually click on this little apps button. All you do, and this is a shortcut, a little time saver, click on that. You'll be able to see all of your different apps, and one of those apps is right here, Gmail. That's where you would find the Google Mail inbox login. The third way is simply going to gmail.com. So I'll click over here, and if I go to gmail.com, type that in. If I go to gmail.com, it will show me this page if I'm not signed into my Google account. However, if you sign into your Google account on your own computer, you're the only one using it, you don't really have to log out. So all you would do is go to gmail.com, you'd be signed in, and you'd be brought to your inbox right away. So my friends, those are 3 easy ways to find the Google Mail inbox login. Until next time, I'm Bryan Caplan with the Bigger, Better Biz community. Stay well, stay healthy, stay happy, and here's to your success. So there you have it, another helpful tech tip from Bigger, Better Biz. Now, in order to receive more tips, tricks, and best practices in your inbox, be sure to subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell. When you do, every time we put up a new video, you'll be notified in your inbox by YouTube. While you're at it, be sure to join our free marketing community. When I say free, I mean free. We created it at the beginning of COVID in response to help as many small business owners as we could. We're growing every day by leaps and bounds, and we'd love to have you as part of the community as well. We provide articles, resources, videos, even access to exclusive webinars with me so that you can grow that bigger, better small business I'm always talking about. There's a lot to learn and a lot to know. As long as you can set your mind to just doing one thing today, you'll get closer to your goal. So get out there and do something. See you next time.